Comrade Soli, I think with the agenda in our way, can you come forward and brief the agenda? Lesson number 2, sifuna ukwazi ngesikolo esakhiwayo ukuthi umphakathi uqashwa kanjani and then ama-CV afakwa kanjani, ama-contractors atholakala kanjani. Yino into esiyikhuluma kakhulu yazi la. Into engiyenzile ngikhonile ufonela ukhansela wase-Ward 109 ukuthi abe yiphathi ye-meeting. Bekade uzoba yiphathi but-ke ngisakamboni ukuqhamuka and akakaboni any apology. So then yizinto ezosidiscussa lezi lana. Kodwa bengizothanda-ke ukuthi ephase ihlahla sisondeleni because maybe uzoba ne-question ngeke sizwe ele phambili. Kanti awulathi uzayisakha ukunikeza i-mic fast umlezo ufike ngokushesha kuwe. So then ngasondeleni ngiyazi iyezwakala lemuva kodwa ngasondeleni sizokhona ukuthi abenze ama-question bakhone ukuthi banikeze i-mic abhakale ama-question abo. Ngicabanga ukuthi asiyivuleni official ngomthandazo nangokuthili i-veterans lakagogo.
Sanibonani mphakathi, ake sivuleni ngomthandazo. Umkhuleko onamandla, masikhuleka ngokukholwa, uJesu mamela aphendula umkhuleko letha konke kuJesu ngomkhuleko. Baba Somandla, ngiyabonga wena mdali womhlaba nezulu, oyile wadala mina wasidala sonke. Njengoba sihleli lana sidalwe uwe, siyacela kuwe Jehova lento ezokhulunywa lana kube iqiniso lodwa, ngoba ngempela mayibe asilibizi lomphakathi sizolinikeza ama-report. Logcina selilwa nami mina ngugogo lana eBarcelona. Ngiyacela Jehova ukuthi baxolele abantwana bami babawonayo, babawona inhlangano, bangafuni ukuthi inhlangano zithuthuke ziye phambili, bahlala balokhu bayenza imistake emphakathini. Ngiyacela ukuthi ubaxolele Jehova. uNkulunkulu wami ngiyakuthandazile la ngafinyelelanga khona ngoba ugokuthike nopolitiki. Amen.
Morning leaders.
Whether it's EFF, Khoto Wesizwe, nalabo kagogo, iparty ANC. Amandla, it is part of our way of showing as Africans ukuthi we are struggling, we want the African masses to grow. Therefore, that's what Amanda was saying, the power belongs to us as the Africans, while we aspire to ensure that this land, this country belongs to us, because it does belong to us. We don't have any excuse about that. Savannah comrades. So colleagues, these are my comrades because a comrade says a friend, it says a brother, it says a sister. And then comrades, Savannah comrades. As Khoto Wesizwe party, see, we had our concerns, we had our voices from the community regarding the school, the Sachiwai. As Kanugenza Ite Ngoba, the same was shared, when was it on Saturday or Friday? Thursday and Friday, whereby is that there was a company called E-Waste. It was being Mr. My name is Mr. but my CVs, but what subsequently happened is that the company, they were instructed by councillors who don't employ labo bantu labo. Na ilist yethu esifuna ukuthi employ. Siyazwana. Thina as umkhonto wesizwe we had that. We said no. Ayenzakali lento leyo. Ayenzakali in any form or any shape. A job is for the community. Nigethi ukuthi belong kumkhonto wesizwe, ubelong ku ANC, ubelong ku EFF. Umsebenzi should be open for everybody who belongs to that community. Siyazwana. Whether uvotela umkhonto novotelana. Ma as umkhonto wesizwe njengoba siphakamela nina mphakathi. Siyazwana comrades. Siphakamela nina ukuthi nithola umsebenzi umama nje wafaka isiketi esibomvu. Wayangaqashwana. Yathola asibuzi umama ubelong ngiphi political party. Angithi lo mama unawo ama qualifications or unasiskill angithi. Why angaqashwa? Siyazwana comrades. We ended up resolving naleyo company 2005 yangithi ukuthi bakuzoqashwa abantu abafaka ama CVs nalabo abantu bebaqashi ngoba bese baxoshe nabantu by the way. Bese babaxoshile basebenzi labantwana babantu omama babo bese babaxoshile. Sathi nizobabuyisela back to kuvumelele bayabuyela manje ikusasa bayaqala bayasebenza. Sathi nale mali beliba owayona ebeyisebenzele nizobafaka back to nizobanikeza nalo mali. And two, we said all regulations like UIF, you are going to comply with them. Ngoba angeke uqashe umuntu umqashi nje asebenze ngoba umthetho uthi uma usebenza more than 24 hours a month. Seyizwa into leyo. More than 24 hours a month, you need to be registered with EUIF. It's an unemployment insurance fund. Siyazwana comrades. In case you lose your job, you are able to go and claim that money esakwazi ukuthi ukhona ukuthola umsebenzi. Siyazwana. And two, uma kwenzakala ukuthi uyahamba emhlabeni wena bosebenza ku-UIF, uyakwazi ifamily yakhe ihambise whatever Department of Labor baclaim it because there's a UIF there. Siyazwana. Izinto eningazazi umqashi kufanele enze sure ukuthi niyazithola. Manje sila e-109. Same problem. 26 ne? Engayithandi 109. 26. Same problem. Kune isikolo angithi. Now who's supposed to be priority? Ubani priority number 1? Uma ngizobuilda le park, who's supposed to be number 1? Yini umuntu obale obuya e-70 eDavidton or umuntu obuya e-68 eDavidton or umuntu obuya e-67 ngale ekhoneni. Why you overlook 26? Sayizwa into engisho 109 engiyithanda 109 and 26. That is the truth vele ngixoleleni. That's what I think 109 and 26 ngoba ngithi the border. Yabona? Therefore the community needs to be what considered. Ngoba i-project ehleli kuphi la angithi. Therefore why ngizohamba ngithatha umuntu wase lengapha as-discriminate. Siyazwana? As-discriminate. Impothwa lestrategy kufaka ichart. 90% of the people who are going to be working there, they're supposed to be from where? La angithi. Ngoba yenu angithi. In case there's a mistake, ikwandali yawo, who's to blame? Nozblame nina. Ngoba eyenu lento eleveli lifuna into elibe njani ibe yihle angithi. Manje sithi as umphakathi we need to make a decision la. Le project le ubani oyiphethe koqala angithi. Okwesibili, what was the criteria used? Angithi sakuvote safaka wafaka emapalini wathi ngizolida angithi. Bafaka abantu emapalini sahamba saya ema-voting stations samfaka sithi lona umholi wethu ku-ward 109 or ward 26. That's what the answers we do. Yabona? Now uma umphakathi ibayabiza labantu baholayo yibo abahold power. Angithi phakwe yithi kufanele bekuphi la angibizwa ubani yithi ubekwa ubani lapha yithi. Manje uma athi yena abiziwe aceliwe uyamisa yonke into whether unani ubizwa yilabantu abiza. Mina ngibelonga ku-ward 70. Umkhonto wathi ngibe ku-sub-region, that means a Greater Benoni as a coordinator secretary. Uma i-ward 70 ithi kimi Commander Tabi sicela ukukhuluma nawe ngiyaya kubo ngoba ngibeka ubani yibo angithi you listen to abantu abakubekile ngoba uleader umphakathi manje njengomphakathi namhlanje sifuna ukuthi sazi ukuthi leya criteria setshenziswe kanjani akubani labasebenza lapha ngoba abantu bagcwele la badinga imisebenzi angithi anzelanga la uzodlala ngithi nizele ukuthi nifuna imisebenzi khona uzokhona ukuphinda abantwana benu yazi na ubaba or umama endlini umntwana athi ufuna isitofu sithi ungakhona ukusibhadala yazi izakhiwa buhlungu kanjani leso sitofu sithi se-2 se-1 rand siyathola and the reason why we say sifuna ukwazi because there's what we call a living wage niyakwazi comrades a living wage angeke uphole 2,500 rands a month which that's a living wage it's not siyazwana manje thina uma we overlook and oversee a process of umkhonto wesizwe we've got qualified people who've got the qualifications regarding the labor laws and other laws. Now, nasimbuza nomqashi uma athi uzomqasha anikeze 1,700 a month sizobuza ukuthi yodwa yini minimum wage in South Africa? That's 3,500 minimum wage. Now minimum basic, then you go up. Siyazwana ningayigugulisha manje uzuyithola. Siyazwana now izinto esizibhekayo lezo ukuthi njoba sizovumelana manje sizombuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. One of the things esizobuza is a minimum wage ozobhadala labantu. Labantu baqashile abavelaphi. Therefore we need to make a decision. Angifuni impose a decision yini sina decision in our hands. Siyazwana comrades. Ukuthi as a community sesithini ngoba na project na abantu basebenza kwenzakalani. Then you chart a way forward. I don't think it will take more than an hour. That's all. I think ngolo ngishie lapho then sivulele isivulele ibandla. Babuza sovulela ibandla, nibuza imibuzo, then soqala sidiscuss ke lapho. Amandla. Nani la way box and people pay. Mayfield nese Tekton Mall, ne? E-boxer. The Pick n Pay company one. That's one, ne? The Checkers, the ShopRite, the company one. That's one. Now, e-boxer is a dumping ground for Pick n Pay. There was no. E-boxer is a dumping ground for Pick n Pay. E-ShopRite is a dumping ground for Checkers. Says one. What happens is that goods which are about to expire on the other side, they dump them this side. And where are these shops? Townships. E-boxing will be township. Now there's 200 manje mama ne. Need the hambo tenga in the store, a Pick n Pay. Hambo sneakers with hambo tenga is Z item. That's all. Exact item. Ni bege ama dates. Nizo realize ukuthi le will expire. Le is in this card. Then this is political. They are saying an African child is a dump. That's what they are saying. But we should China, we don't deserve fresh products, best service, and the battle of the man. Like it. This Pick n Pay that I pay more. Yes, man. The Pick n Pay are see. Yes, a man. From who? China sends a man, so the man buy Tata, the man buys a town and give them the best products. Now, as Umkhonto Wesizwe, we have resolved. We are going to embark on a campaign, but we're going to talk to our labor desk. What is example symbolic say what? Laban Abani was a Pick n Pay, we were around about 7,000 something a month. Now, over Kashide, the box, over to pay by 4,000 rands. Yes. Now, we have only problem with it. Nasichi, asisugumeni mphakathi. Asisugumeni, because we cannot be used as a dumping ground. As Umkhonto Wesizwe, we're going to embark on a campaign to block armor boxers from coming here. And who's next? The ShopRite. That's what. Because we are not a dumping ground. Singabantu. Angeke they have to Pick n Pay around about 30 million a month. 30 million a month. Let's Pick n Pay that. The more. 30 million a month. From then they say that it has around 30 million. Instead of reinvesting here, is a party. nayibona irongo kanjani. Now sizombiza mphakathi ukuthi le box asayistop siyazwana, and we're going to stop this unfairness yabantu bakithi babayuse ama-dumping grounds, giving them. Now you cannot cut the salary by 4,000 rand. You can't. Siyazwana comrades. Now that's another campaign back kuyo leadership yale ward izozitshela ukuthi siyanini sebenza nini and everything. Let me open the floor for this one. Sithethe ngalesi esenza namhlanje. Amandla.
To add kule nto eshiwo uPhumela Thami. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi niyayazi na indaba yeproject eyenzakalayo and yenziwe ngendlela right na. Yena nabizwa anamtshela ngithi makwenziwa something la ewadini lethu kumele sibizwe siwumphakathi asitshele ukuthi kukhona isinkwa esizotholakala. So indlela yoku-apply is this and this. Abantu abaningi abayazi indaba yale project, nami ngomunye wabo angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani laphaya, ngizwe sengizwa ngamahemhemi unless lento esikhulumayo ayikho. So sizovulela ama-questions nokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi senzeni njenge-community because thina sinayo into yokuthi singayenza kodwa sikwazi ukuthathela iy'nqumo.
Siyazwa kukhulunywa nge-contract ezowakha isikolo, mara sesifikile la azangizi ukuthi lo contract iwuphi isikolo sakhiwa kuphi, angizwanga lo phakathi. Ngisacela ukubuza nje ukuthi lento yonke le ekhulumayo i-contract le ezowakha isikolo sakhiwa kuphi phakathi. Kanti iposta le ezothengisela into engeka-expire isazo-expire, le bayika-expire, le zabo zi-expirile, zibonile lezi zethu. Asicabanga lenini phakathi abafethu bazosimela lapho comrades, ama-comrades azosimela lapho ngoba ukhansela kasifila, ukhansela is feeling us. Yebo yitho simbuyile simbotele mara yikho into asenzeleyo, ayikho into asenzela yona ukhansela. Uzositshela i-excuse, that is excuse into asitshela yona ukuthi angeke asenze. Why angaripotanga through this day ukuthi angeke akhona ukuzimithini mphakathi. Ikhansela is feeling us, ayikho into esenziwa wangena wasenzela yona sayibona. Abafowethu babiza ngabonyawo phela, abafowethu sibashele bakhuleni sibabiza ngamagama ngabonyawo phela, abonyawo. Umntwana umuntu lo ombiza ngonyawo, sasazowa wakho umntwana, sasazowa wakho umntwana. Lamabhosa la uzosuka la azowakhiwa la mhlawumbe azowa-employ abantu bakithi abakhula ayikho lowani kingamuzwa akhuluma isiZulu asebenze emakuleni, akukho lowani kingamuzwa akhuluma isiZulu asebenze emakuleni, akekho. Lot of them are foreigners. Lot of them are foreigners. Lot of them Zimbabwe, Malawi, bakhona la emakuleni. Yiba wasikatayo, mara lapho yezifuni lo odevinya lapho siza ukuthi ususe ilopheni, sibuye lapha emakuleni amakula mcashi akekho. Ibosa izowaqasha usiphathe public. Abafundisi bazosebenza. Ngiyabonga mkhathane. Amandla. Maybe khona kumele sicacise kancane. Isikolo ekumele sakho iBarcelona Primary. So i-construction iqalile and umphakathi awazi, umphakathi awuqashwanga. That's the main issue why sila namhlanje. Yabo. So Tina, what we want to know was sizane nomphakathi, because this thing does not only affect umkhonto wesizwe but umphakathi as a whole. So ukuthi sivumelane nomphakathi ukuthi from here siyaphi. That's why we are here namhlanje. Sizovumelana nomphakathi ukuthi isiphi step ekumele sisithathe sonke collective into making sure ukuthi we also participate kule program enzakala lapha, especially abantu base ward 26 and 109. Because abanye bazothi hayi isikolo se-109 but abantwana babobani abafunda lapha, because abantwana base-26 bafunda khona e-109 kuleso sikolo. So as parents you need to be able to participate kulesa sikolo. The issue of amakula, I won't lie to you, siyazifeyila thina ngokwethu ezomphakathi because masikhuluma sithi asihambeni sovala lamakulu umuntu uhlala kwakhe athi sinkwa kusasa ngiyosithola lesinkwa esikhala ngaso sithi sibolile wena usafuna ukusiprotect angeke sithi silwa impi sungumphakathi abanye baqasha ngabanye mase siyaphuma sungumphakathi sinamhlanje sawavala lamakulu akekho nomuntu oyi-1 ongastopha because sobe siphume sonke sungumphakathi. But if there's a certain group esaqhubeka ivale iprotecta labantu ngoba abanye babo babenefita kula makhansela because siyazi ukuthi amakhansela they are collecting imali kula makulu. We know ukuthi lamaveni amaphoyisa mawafika lapha awasuki azothenga. They are there to collect imali abayibiza nge-protection fee kula makulu. Therefore thina ezomphakathi masithula ngento ezinjalo ayikho into ezophumelela basazoqhubeka and instead ukuthi bavale baya-expand ama-containers ayafuka manje bafaka ama-building awusathenge emnyango soyangena phakathi angisho lento esiyifunayo because we keep on supporting labantu whereas basithengisele into ezibolile. So it's up to us ezomphakathi ukuthi yini into esifuna ukuyenza ngale information yonke esinayo because the issue of e-box siyavuma into zaba zika-expire but if maybe unga-understanda lento yesalary lapha i-Davidson Mall bayivalile i-Pick n Pay e-Mayfield bayivalile bofaka i-box labantu bebasebenza lapha e-Pick n Pay bayobaqasha e-box but not all of them and ma baqasha e-box e-Pick n Pay bekahola 7,000 e-box uyohola 3.5 bese sithi it's fair ngoba uyasebenza uthola 3.5 if uhlala la aya e-box ubhadala malini for transport ukuthi aye emsebenzini ubhadala malini for transport shuku sekasebenza transport. We need to be able ukuthi sizi-understand lezi zinto kuqala singakhazwa ukuthi siyasebenza. That's why sigcine sithi labantu abasiqashile bayasi-exploit whereas uwogijimile wesayinele i-contract yendlala ezinye izinto we need to stand as a community to advocate for such things. It's not fair ukuthi usebenza inyanga yonke usebenzele 3.5 siyavuma imali ngeke uyidobhe anyway but we cannot allow that to happen because yenzala kithi abantu abamnyama kuphela akekho umlungu osebenzela i-3.5 labelungu abofika ungene nabe-retailer asebenze 2 days ethilini sasuyimanager yakho. We cannot allow that ezabantu abamnyama. It's time nje ukuthi thina sizidecide ukuthi sisafuna uku-oppresswa nangalesi sithi isikhathi sedemocracy na because abokhokho kwethu ba-oppressa nge-apartheid nathi sisafuna ukuqhubeka with the very same system yokuthi si-oppresse. We cannot allow that community. Lesa sikolo if it was up to me ngiyi-part of lo mphakathi ngithi mina ngibalwanga kiwo bengithi leya construction as of tomorrow kuyi-Monday ngeke iqhubeke umphakathi ungaka-include. If it was up to me angisho uba up to me mina ngihlala ngale 65 I'm-affecti kangawo but because umphakathi omakhelwane wami ya-affected ngiyasondela to the issue so that ngikhona ukuthi ngi-assiste if umphakathi yafuna uku-assist. Siyivalile i-bus shed last week ngeke sihlule ukuyovala lapho ukuthi construction ingayenzakali but if umphakathi uyayifuna lento leyo and ukuyifuna kwayo bazosivumela la ukuthi hayi no sisiyavalwa leya construction because umphakathi awuqashwanga then we'll be at the forefront thina ezumkhonto wesizwe representing community because siyazi ukuthi abantu bayasaba ukuvela phambili but thina siyazinikela ukuthi we are ready to fight with you ukuthi sistope leya construction asistop ngoba sifuna i-progress emphakathini siyistopa ngoba we are not included into ezenzakala emphakathini wethu. Kusasa masiwa lesa sikolo silimaza abantwana bethu who to blame? At least when uyazi ukuthi akakumele ulifake kahle ngoba umntanami ozofunda la le roof mangayifakanga kahle izowela umntanami. So i-issue lapho let's decide as the community ukuthi sisiyenzani if nithi siyayivala kusasa ngokuqala ukufika lapha ekuseni siyivalele amandla
Ngizoqhubeka nezandla si-based endaweni yesikolo nokhansela neqashwa ukuthi uqashwa kanjani. So then uma ukuthi nine nithi anikwaza ngifuna sikhumbule into A1 leaders la ufika lapha ya esikolweni ngeke ufike uthole umuntu omaziyo because sinama-councillors sinama-paper bag asifaka khona abantu bethu labazoqashwa officially leyo yiyo engafuneki. Yes ngeke uthole ukuthi asemaphupheni possibly uthole ukuthi la eBarcelona but kuqashwe kanjani, is it i-procedure elandelwe na? But uma abantu beze kwi-paper bag, that is not the procedure. So then ukhansela ngikuzile mina ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi before I was the world committee ka-council, uma ukhansela angekho kumele ngimrepresent, because ayikho into eyenzeka ngale kwakhansela uyi-world committee ungayazi. So then i-question yami la to show ukuthi sisarespekteka la njengemphakathi. Akekho yini umuntu la kulabantu abayi-10 labasebenza nokhansela bayi-world committee okhona la. Ukhona lokhona oyi-world committee azokhulumela ukhansela. Akekho noyi-one okhona. Yabona into ezosishaya kakhulu la ilabo lesibavotelayo tomorrow, because abasithathi serious as umphakathi. Namele bazozirepresenta abahlala ezindlini. Kumhlolo kumvotela uDlamini u-Akhel. Umvotela ahlala la e-2151 Thandabano Street. Ahole kayi-4 ayohlala e-Crystal Park. That is very unfair. Because now nasa sifuna uDlamini lesamvotela. Kumele sifike enanjani e-Crystal Park. Sofika ngale Park singanamandla ekufika e-mall. So then mphakathi bathi amandla akini. So then njengoba amandla akini nikani wasebenzise. Nikani wasebenzise futhi nazi ukuthi ninemalungelo aphelele ekuthi niwasebenzise. Nabe Akhela akasanisavisi accordingly ubekwe yini ngithi. Nimsabani. Nimsabani. Uma Akhel abekwe yini nimsabani ngoba bekwe yini nimfuna. Akasahlala lapha ku-address yakho kuney'mbimbi. Nisaba ley'mbimbi. Bazonibulala. Okay. Ngizokhuluma nezandla. Ngizonika umpho wamahlangu ngaze yazi ufuna ukukhuluma naye. Nobaba la ufuna ukukhuluma uzokhuluma elikileyo boss. Morning.
But akusho ukuthi kufanele uyi-one asebenzise lelo thuba lokuthi ube uye. Mphakathi waseBarcelona isikhumbula kahle. Lesikhathi itoyitoyo lothi isikolo sakhiwe sonke sasilapha. Benganandaba ukuthi unomntwana noma unamntwana. Because we wanted to change. Ingakho futhi siku-forefront thina abanye ukuthi makwakhiwe umyezane ususwe eMgababa ubekwe eMhoba. Ingakho futhi sithi si-qualify for 2 high schools so efanele zakhiwe la e-Ward 26. Kodwa inkinga isekuthini. Kombethami I challenge DID on issue of steering committee qala. Bayishaya eceleni because emotion ngokungabi ne-steering committee. Because if ne-steering committee bangeke ukhansela senzela. Secondly, ngikhumbula ukuthi uMamsili makeza namakhansela bekathi ukhansela oqualifyayo ohlala kuleyo ndawo. Ongahlali leyo ndawo akaqualify. Makathandaza bengizosho ukuthi nalo khansela ongasahlali angathi angashaywa lightning. So akabhalanga lokho. But you understand why. The issue at hand wamdlamini ukuthi ukuze lento ilunge ecala ubani osikhokhelayo. Because eBarcelona sisiphethe asiphathwanga. When was the last time uzwa bathi ukhansela no ngiyayeka yesikolo ukuthi usibizile nje azositshela lamanga abahlali basitshela. I think mina the last time wasibiza was last year June nakhona abhorekile wasibiza ngoba phethwe isizulu kodwa ngiyayizwa lento eshop ukuthi weskipa se-MK ukuthi ngokufisa kwakho ingathi ngami project sonke sifisa kanjani ukuthi chashele kodwa kufanele sikubuke ukuthi njengoba sifuna chashwe asivuleli ukuthi ukhansela phinda ede lenambe silwelayo na. Second, let's be honest, asithi njengoba sithi asameni so far sifaka abantu abangaqualify naba-incompetent because ukwakhiwa kwalesa sikolo wana abangazi siku-wetland and wonke umuntu ufuna ucaphuna lama-million alapha ukuthi athole. Kodwa mina ngithi makuyovalwa aqale ngo-steering committee qala bengathi mina umuntu suffrage thola wonke ama civic movement akhona ekuhlaleni nihambe nawo nithi umphakathi uthi asiqaleni nge-steering committee imi project dala isikolo sihlezi isikhathi eside bajwayele abantwana ufunda emkhukhwini aceda azohlala ku-RDP it's normal kimi kodwa it's abnormal on the other hand then bese siqala nge-steering committee bese sisinika ama-terms of reference ukuthi nayi indlela ezosetshenzwa ngayo ngoba once kwangabi ne-steering committee izofana nesazakhele if abantu abayasazakhele iminyanga yakhona ayifakwanga kahle because bekunganabantu abayimonithayo kwavele kwangenwa kwaphuma and abantu bebakhala bakusiko bonke abantu balapha bethu abantu basethwathwa west so abasemaphupheni kusuke bakuphi wonke umuntu bekazelela because akana interest ukwakhe beyafuna ukuzenza berish but $1 million question ngabile ukuthi lo councillor wenu wase 109 usahlala lana because if akasahlala ama interest wakhe awasekho la ngicama nihamba la noLiftani Mamthindi ngoba uyo wamletha aphinda umlala le rugby ambuyise la phephethe nalo wayehlala umkhukhu la oboflash ejadi lo munye umuntu afoja amanzi wakagoge khona saze sawakhipha wasiphathmanye wakhipha amanzi ukokwase khona yabhadala irent edurayo yena lo wabhiza kwasa lamatanki ungazi ukuthi uyathwala ngawo siyesa ulivale lo tanki naye mangaba kasahlali la naye sicela lo wamletha amlande ambuyise la if abasafuna ukuhlala la bangasasikhokheli comrade ngoba sinenkinga abantu abasikhokhelayo banganali iqiniso bengizosho kunye manje the very same if abantu abakalaleli babuke bacheke i-Ekurhuleni News the very same ANC ephelelwa amandla ilandu MMC we-Action SA yamfaka kumandla because bathi abafuni ukuthi MK nani konje khona irasa la Y4 ukuthi athathe ipower bakhonela ukubambisa amandla so manje we are at the kick off a dying horse comrade Makazi kodwa sicela ukuthi asikhokhelwe ngekweqiniso siphathwe ngokweqiniso if nithi kusasa isite lovalo iprocess izoqala phansi kube ne-steering committee esizo overseer lento ngoba once sathi aqale kwangabe ne-steering committee kwaba no-CLO oze no-council sisazobuya again phinde sicasheka abantu soloko simisa i-project every day but if siba ne-steering committee of abantu abahlukene abanama-interest ahlukene bazokhokhela ngokweqiniso umphakathi ngaphandle kwe-steering committee I'm telling you we are doomed.
Ukwagalala ka councillor ma ntse re tiseletse ka councillor wa go ra setšhaba sa kopane councillor a be Mejafati a be Mejafati councillor bona ge ga e dikene
Sanibonani phakathi. Khuluma gogo la uzokhulumela yini? Yeah. Mina nginesikhalo. Ngiyezwa niyakhuluma. Niyabeka ngesikolo. Niyabeka ngesikolo. Isikolo sinenkinga. Isikolo. Kumanje kunabantwana bethu abangaqashwanga ngendaba yokuthi bona abasile le party kuqashwa abantwana bale party kumanje nina ma comrade ma ANC niphethe isikolo saseBarcelona niyakha kunesikolo lesila eBarcelona kungena ama-comrade nabantwana babo. I want to tell you the truth. You can shoot me if you want. Ngifuna ungibhekisise. Mina ngothokoza angeke uzungidubule osana yamaqiniso ngizowakhuluma comrade ngiyezwa nikhuluma ngoMadishaka ngolosine abantwana bebase Triple C kuMadishaka wathi mababuye Friday on 12 o'clock babuyela abantwana on 12 o'clock bamthola uMalihlaba. uMalihlaba uthe makakhuluma nabantwana bethu. Lungisa. Yes. uMalihlaba uthe makakhuluma nabantwana bethu. Wathi lona bana bakho 6, 5 and 6 angeke kilihire because you are a drug dealer. Uyadakwa. Bantwana base-6 mina ngithole igama lokuthi nina angeke nisebenze ngoba amantombazana wase-6 ayifebe. Ngifuna ukunitshela into ekhona eBarcelona. Ngikhuluma ngimela i-youth yonke emphakathini eBarcelona. I-youth ayisebenzi. Abantwana mavela umsebenzi bathi mangeke basebenze ngoba yidakwa. Kukhuluma abani ingatheni zakaMalihlaba. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena bawuthi abantwana bethu yidakwa ekho kanjani. Manje ke ngicela ukunitshela ke mina engiphethele meeting namhlanje siyabonga. Nincedile nafika. Lesa sikole masivalwe. Kuqhashwe kabusha. Nami ugogo ngiyafuna umsebenzi.
iBarcelona Primary School elikhuluma ngayo ibelapha yana eduzane nepolice station. Sacela ubaba lona omunye otithere kuthi mageze ngapha wayeza ngapha. Sengizokhuluma into yamanje. Ngiyekele leyana yakudala yaka 1996 ngoba iBarcelona yaka 1996 akhona ama-comrade nomphakathi obufuna isikolo ukuthi masize ngapha. Abanye bashonile abatholanga lutho namanje abantwana babo abatholi lutho. Nami bami abantwana abatholi lutho. Nami ngokwami angitholi lutho. Ngicela ukuthi imali ukhuluma lingathi sonke abantwana bethu njoba ngimember ye-ANC enganavalo ku-ANC ngoba angijoyinanga la eBarcelona. Ngisuka naye ekhaya e1385 Moroka Jabafu eSoweto. Ngina nabuMampeta, ngina buWinnie Madikizela. La ngisuka khona. Yes, manje ngisengingena endabeni yaseBarcelona. iBarcelona mina ngiyilwele kakhulu. Naye lo mnyazana lona ngimulwele ngoba ngize ngaya khona ngihamba neyomuntu lo weSoweto. Ngiyocela ukuthi umnyazana mawusuke laphayana uze laphayana enkomini lazikhona. iBarcelona ukuyilwela kwami ngize ngagcina sengikhumula khona laphayana eBarcelona to make sure ukuthi ngiyayilwela iBarcelona ngifuna ukuthi yakhiwe. Yimi logogo oyile wahamba waya tena eTsakani ngafika nganikeza upresident wethu amaphepha waseBarcelona ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi lesikolo lesi siyakhiwe. Mphakathi makiseni eqinisweni sitoyitele sonke eBarcelona. Azange sitoyitele inhlangano eyi-1 besisonke masitotoya. Naye MK lena ngalesikhathi leso ibingekho kuko ama-ANC mabatoyitoyela iBarcelona. Namhlanje njengoba sebama-MK yes mali ekuqaleni uvukwa ama-ANC abanye baku-DA abanye bakuphi bahlangene manje bayenze inhlangano yabo ngoba ithi umuntu makakhuzwa ayenze into erong aphuma evula yakhe inhlangano. Sonke siyakwenza lokho, ayikho inhlangano engakwenzi lokho. Sengiyalicela ukuthi asikho isikolo esizovalwa njengoba lo mntana lona bakhuluma bathi bane lo mfana athi hlanganani nonke lenzi ikomiti. Mali selihlangani nonke la yenza ikomiti leyo lihambeni ukuqala le kuma
emfishane ebengicela njengoba sisithi iBarcelona iyavalwa bengisacela before sivale iBarcelona siqaleni kukhansela wethu uMathole sifuthe kwayena uMathole siyovala ngaye khona lapha eBarcelona ngoba kuyaqashiwe thina siqashwanga imisebenzi yaphuma kwa-matricle C uMathole ayikho into yakhe wazoyiripoti emphakathini athi endaweni kuna kuyaqashwa abantwana thina siyamba kuthiwa kuyasetshenzwa siyamba kuthiwa imisebenzi miningi but thina apha eBarcelona ukhansela lethu alikaze lazositshela so bengisacela ibheka khona nayena namhlanje bengizothi mhlawumbe kwayena nje makhe athintithwe kancane umsebenzi wakhe akawazi so kumele siyomdonsa simkhudulele la ofisi lakhe siyovalwa ngaye eBarcelona siyoqashwa kabusha sonke ngiyabonga
umama waseward 09 eSigqebhezana ngizomela ulutsha laseSigqebhezana abantwana bethu bayadakwa badakiswa ukuthi umsebenzi abawufumani abantwana bethu bayagqekeza bayatshontshwa ngoba umsebenzi abawufumani umphathi wethu owanyulwa ukuthi asigadele abantwana bethu eSigqebhezana ayifuna siqalela yona sinayo iward councillor yaseBarcelona eSigqebhezana ayikho into esiqelelayo siva sekuthiwa kunemisebenzi kuqashiwe kuma-green beans kwakuqashwa zangasitshela abantwana bethu azange bawufumani kuma-azorona green agqoba amaphepha abantwana bethu azange abaxelele kodwa namhlanje kuzothi abantwana bethu zizidakwa zizifele abantwana bethu befeba nje bafuna ukufumana imali ngemizimba yabo ukazonzeleizimba tokumele bangatyi ngayo ngabe baxelele ngomsebenzi besizobona kubo ukuthi abantwana bethu abafuna ukusebenza besizobona ngaye xa ebanika umsebenzi sibone abantwana bethu behleli bangaye emsebenzini sibone ukuthi bafuna ukufela esizawuma naye kodwa ngoba sikwazi ukuma nabo ngoba ayikho into abaxelela yona nathi siyayifuna imisebenzi sihlela sisebenzi asinayo into yokunika abantwana bethu ukuthi badle bagcoke bafanele abantwana uhamba bayofela ngoba bafuna impahla le egqokwa ngababo abantwana abantwana bayadla bayawufumana umsebenzi endelela xesha uMandela wayelwela yona leli qembu azange athi mabafidale kodwa wayethi wonke umuntu kumele atye kodwa namhlanje wonke lamaqembu avukile ngabantwana babo bodwa baxhamlayo inyuka nengqambo isihlahla siyamila sibheke phezulu lesi sihlahla lesingqambo yaso mayilambile naso sizawulamba imhlutha sizayifumana komunye umuntu so ngoku nina nihluthisana lodwa lonke ma-DA ma-MK ma-EFF ma-ANC nihluthisana lodwa akekho umuntu obona omunye umuntu into niyifunayo kuthi thina nifuna sinixhase sinivotele lithi mali phezulu anisasikoli namhlanje ndijikiwe into yokuthi thina kumele sincede nina into endizafuna yenzeke nina niphezulu nisema-ofisini wamaqembu ngoba nivotelane nodwa ngoba manisifuna niyangena emizini yethu nifotote nizocela ngamavoti mara makunamathenda anisifokoteli nizosicalela ngamathenda sibona sekuqashiwe ngiyakuphela kwendawo
hayi ngeke ngisaba mude kakhulu basana angeke ngisaba mude kakhulu mina nje ngikhulumela ukuthi cha ngikhulumela isupport bonke abakhulumeli engihambisana nawo ukuthi lesi isikole ake sesime kuye kwavele omunye wakhuluma ngendaba ye-steering committee nami ngiphasisa sona i-steering committee ngisapota sona ndiyabona i-steering committee ezokhona ukuthi kubonakale yonke ihambe nge-procedure so ngoba kuyacaca ukuthi akukho okuhamba kahle but if ungahamba ne-steering committee ngiyacabanga ukuthi yonke into ohamba kahle yonke into ohamba kahle steering committee sibheka ngoba sikhathalele ukuthi ngabe uyi-ANC uyi-EFF konke kuhambe kahle kuyeke ukuthi maqembu i-AFF iqashane yodwa, i-ANC iqashane yodwa. Bonke abantu basebenza, sifanele ukuthi sonke abantu abebasebenza. Ngisapota nge-steering committee, sobheka yonke lento. Isikolo mina ngithi-ke asisime kancane kutholakala i-steering committee, bese-ke kuyaqhubeka sibheke konke. Ukhansana kangihlebela nasithuma efonini. Wathi kufuneka abantu abafundile ababuya e-college abayi-3 ikhampani ifuna ukuhamba nabo. So then-ke akekho la uzochaza-ke kodwa bayafuneka usho bayafeka labayi-3 or maybe sebabayise nge-paperback, we don't know, but ngoba bonke sithe akume. So then awuhambe request kulo mphakathi ola o-understand i-steering committee ezibamahlamvu akhulume ngaso ukuthi i-steering committee sakheka kanjani, siphume la sazi ukuthi bobani
8 o'clock sihlangana kuphi eBarcelona esikolweni siyazwana congress ne. Then akusho ukuthi kuzobayita bomkhoto abagijima phambili. Siyazwana mamelani. That's all. Angithi sibizi ezumkhodo sibize this community meeting. I want to address the issue your community. Then the community should take the lead sizowakhona nathi part of the team. Siyazwana ukuthi sibe khona. Siyalapha ngo-8 o'clock. Then part of the thing ezodilwa ngayo ukuthi the proposal ezingocommand is a very good proposal. The steering committee. Siyazwana. That means the project is suspended. That's what the city project is rejected. City is suspended until the following is being done. 1, steering committee to be set in place. 2, explain why did you overlook us? That's what. 2, the steering committee I think will deal with 8 other factors. Civil engineers, normal job, general duties and everything. The steering committee will be looking at all of that. Then I sit Melanie with the command and told record. Eric. Zubukon. We are on the spot, Peramaj. Zubukon. 8 o'clock. Ukibili transport yake ngo 7:10. Bale ngenze show. Ukuthi umntwana ukibili 8 o'clock story sonke lapha. Then we start dealing with the other factors. Sazwana Congress. Asiyeni and the 2. And the third point is that akusho ukuthi siphelele lapho or siphelele la. There should be a report back. Angithi kufanele sibuye kushuthi I will suggest ukuthi either by Friday or Saturday or Sunday next week siyahlangana futhi la we get a report back ukuthi kwenzakalani ini. If kwenzakala kukhona eziyiphuvayo within that particular space, let's say siyahlangana kusasa kwenzalo thize kusho ukuthi it can be called during the week. Ngoba kufanele si report back angithi ukuthi senzani. Siyazwana comrades. But we'll give them that minimum 7 days to report back to us. Siyazwana comrades. Iyahlangana. Iyazwakala kanjani. Angazi, is there any other view maybe from the public or from our commanders this side? Is there any other comment? Mama? Mulbani. No, overload. Now, this is a community project, community initiative. Siyazwana comrades. A community. Siyazwana. Aswani ubelma. Yeah.
Ziningi izinto ezenzakala emphakathini wethu. Sesitired manje. Sesikhathele. I'm straight talk. Angisabi noma ubani. Angisabi muntu. Wena uphi umuntu. Sabo. So into ezakalayo phakathi. Uzoyithola kanjani uhlele ekhondeni? That's number 1. basibiza abantu ukuthi balwela amalungelo wethu abantu abezi kanti kusasa abantu babona abanye abantu kusasa ngathi kubanana abantu abafavor. Number one is njengoba niyasazi ukuthi thina lesilungu-ANC, so sesikhathele ukuphila ngamanga, sesikhathele ukukhonjwa ngabantu ngenxa yamakhansela asilidayo. So manje sokuyisikhathi sokuthi sizimele, usokhona umqondo manje, like it or not, sizoyiphusha le, sizobanyova bathanda bangathandi. So isikhathi manje sokuthi thina somphakathi, look, this is a simple issue. If amakhansela kuna i-project leyayi-weight lelesiye kuyo Thursday and Friday sigijimisanlayo, amakhansela wase-Daveyton Thwathwa nangakithi angisho siphatha ukuthwathwa, kunabantu bemele basisebenze basiqashwe e-126, bemele ukuqashwa abantu abawu-60 per ward, each ward iqasha abantu abawu-60. But of course thina sinamakhansela agreed abazicabangela wona, thina leyo information manje asinayo, akekho nomuntu oyi-one. If uqashiwe wena wazisubmitted i-CV yakho, mhlawumbe someone angayizwa that information, usubmithile waqashwa, amakhansela a-verify but siyasimazi lo, because you are awusiyi member ye-ANC, which is wrong. So yenza ukuthi abantu bathi isikolo masivalwe asenze sezini, asifanele the way forward, because kusasa thina abanye sibuyelane le ebajistele ukucheck-a ukuthi indlela ebaqashe ngayo, because sinisayibisa isaqhubeka na ngendlela e-right. So bekuzothi kini phakathi akusibani nobani uzofikelela esikolweni, but baningi abantu abafuna ukusebenza. So sasa asiyeni lapha esikoleni, before wonke umuntu asebenza sifuna ukwazi ukuthi nabantu labaqashwe kanjani thina. Angeke sithi thina masiqasha abantu sithi because nina enenza ama-door-to-door yile mele nisebenze, because nina enigcoke i-regarding ye-ANC mele nisebenze. So siyacela ukuthi asiyivale kanjalo, sibonane kusasa. Thank you.